Yo, what's good, guys? Buckle up, because today we're diving into a topic that's shaking the tech world to its core. Chinese AI labs are absolutely dominating the open source AI game, and they're closing in on the big dogs like OpenAI and Anthropic. If you're into tech, gaming, or just want to know what's coming next in the AI revolution, you don't want to miss this. We're breaking down the heavy hitters, the underdogs, and the straight-up wild moves coming out of China's AI scene. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind, and it might just change how you think about the future of tech. Let's get into it. Why this matters. The AI race is moving faster than a Tesla Plaid, and China's not just keeping up, they're pulling ahead in the open source world. Why should you care? Because this tech powers everything from your phone apps to the algorithms running your feeds. Plus, with the US and China in a tech cold war, the stakes are high. Will the US make a diabolical move to slow China down? Stick around to find out who's leading the charge and what it means for you. Level 1, the blue whale, DeepSeek. First up, let's talk about the absolute beast of open source AI, DeepSeek. These guys are the scrappy underdog taking on multi-billion-dollar giants like OpenAI, and they're doing it with no external funding. That's right, just the CEO's cash and some serious hustle. They've got less compute power than the big labs, yet they're dropping state-of-the-art models, infrastructure, and training scripts for free. No hype, no fluff, just results. Their social media basically, yo, we made something dope again, and it's always top tier. Their latest model, DeepSeek 3.1, is a game changer, even running on Chinese hardware. When their R1 model dropped, Wall Street freaked out so hard that Nvidia's stock tanked 10% overnight. Yeah, that kind of impact. Plus, their research is fire. Their native sparse attention paper just snagged a Best Paper award at a top linguistics conference. I've got a 3-part series on DeepSeek's wild approach. Link in the description if you want the deep dive. These guys are the real deal, and they're just getting started. Level 2. The Chinese Big Three next. We're hitting the heavyweights. The Chinese tech giants with budgets that rival OpenAI and maybe even XAI. First up, Alibaba Cloud, the Amazon of China. Their AI model family, Qwen, is the backbone of academic and open source research. While Meta's Llama models got too big for small-scale researchers, Qwen stepped in with models for everyone. Tiny ones for your phone, mid-sized for research, and beefy ones for servers. Their latest, Qwen 3.5B-2507 reasoning, is the #1 open source model on benchmarks, smoking the competition. They've got video generation models too, with their open source version leading the pack. Since 2023, Qwen's dropped over 100 open weight checkpoints with 100 million downloads. That's clout. Then there's ByteDance, the TikTok overlords. Their AI division, ByteSeed, was late to the party but came in swinging. In 2025, they dropped Seed Thinking V 1.5, a reasoning model that briefly outdid DeepSeek's R1. Their image model, Seed Dream 3.0, and video model, Scene 1.0, are #1 on their respective leaderboards, beating Google and others out of nowhere. ByteDance is pouring $20 billion into AI, and it shows. Their Dubao app is China's second most popular AI assistant, with text-to-speech, voice cloning, and more. This ain't just TikTok dances anymore. Rounding out the trio is Tencent, the WeChat giant. They kicked off with Hunyuan in 2023, but their open-source Hunyuan Large in 2024 was a monster, the biggest open-source model at the time. They're secretive about their research, but their Hunyuan Turbo S, a Mamba transformer hybrid, came with a killer paper. They're also pushing text-to-3D and 360 world models. With WeChat integration, Tencent's AI is everywhere in China. Level 3, the rising stars. Now, let's get into the startups shaking things up. Moonshot AI is a vibe. Founded by Yang Jilin, a legend with 5,000 plus citations for Transformer XL and 11,000 for XLNet. This guy worked at Meta AI and Google Brain before raising $200 million for Moonshot in just 2 months. Their Kimi K2 model briefly held the non-reasoning open source crown until Alibaba dethroned them. Moonshot's app supports all 200,000 Chinese characters making it a hit with Chinese users. Their office? Named after iconic artists with album art on the walls. Straight up cool. Zhipu AI is another one to watch. Their GLM 4.5 model, a hybrid reasoning beast, nearly topped the open source leaderboard with 30% fewer parameters than moonshots. Zhipu's been around since 2019, starting at Tsinghua University, and their ChatGLM model has 41,000 GitHub stars. They also pioneered text-to-video with Cog Video. These guys are the OGs making a comeback. Minimax exploded with their text-to-video model in 2024, but their real flex is text-to-speech, topping the charts over OpenAI and 11 Labs. Their latest, Minimax M2, just beat GPT-4o's open source version and hit number 9 overall on the AI Index. It's free to use, and I might do a full video on it, so hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Kuaishou dropped Kling, a killer video generation model, sitting just behind ByteDance and Google. They're like China's TikTok, so it makes sense they're all in on video generation. Level 4, the underground powerhouses. We're going deeper now, companies you might not know unless you're glued to X or reading research papers. StepFund built a 1 trillion parameter model, Step 2, in 2024, and their Step 3 multimodal model has top-tier vision capabilities. Downloads are low because it's massive, but they're legit. OpenB, short for Open Lab for Big Model Base, is a hidden gem. Their mini CPM series rivals GPT-4o in language and vision while being open source. They're also fine-tuning other models and sharing datasets, super rare in this space. Huawei, yeah, the phone and chip guys. Their Pangu model series was hyped, but a whistleblower exposed them for secretly wrapping open source models like Qwen and DeepSeek, tweaking them and passing them off as original. Shady move, and with 11,000 GitHub stars on the story, Huawei's got some PR damage control to do. SenseTime started with facial recognition in 2014 and now has SenseNova V6.5, a multimodal model beating Gemini 2.5 Pro. Problem? No one can actually use it, so the hype's questionable. Shanghai AI Laboratory is a research beast, pumping out 20 papers a month. Their Intern LM series, like Intern S1, matches DeepSeek's performance with vision capabilities. And if you're a research nerd, follow them on papers.ai's Scout function, link below. Ant Group, Alibaba's fintech arm, is killing it with papers on large language diffusion models and a 1 trillion parameter model, Ring 1T. They're pioneers in early fusion tech, and their Inclusion AI initiative is all about open source. Level 5, the wildcards. At the deepest level, we've got companies you'd never expect in AI. Xiaohongshu, China's answer to Instagram, dropped Dots LM1, a 142 billion parameter open source model in 2025. It's legit and cost-effective. Keep an eye on them. Xiaomi, the phone and car giant, launched Mimo, a 7B vision reasoning model with 120,000 downloads. Makes sense for on-device AI in their phones. Meituan, a food delivery app like Uber Eats, shocked everyone with Longflash, a 560 billion parameter open source model with 200,000 downloads. Their research paper's a banger, and they're out here beating Meta at their own game. So, there you have it. The Chinese AI scene is on fire, and the open source game is shifting fast. While US companies like Meta are slowing down on open source, China's labs are dropping free models like it's nothing. Will the US catch up, or is Nvidia's Llama fine-tuning our only hope? Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you team open source or team closed source? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to get more insights and news to keep track on AI models' future. Also hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Peace out.